Okay, it's time to see what fourth gear looks like. God damn, this gray shit. Holy fuck. Alright. Let's see how fifth gear looks. Not too shitty. God damn. Well, it's spinning, but it's not coming up. What the fuck? You coming up? Uh-oh. We got a little problem here. Why is that spinning? Let me try to put it in here. Let's see if we can get it. There we go. One, two. I'm going to use a drill bit as a pin punch tool. Don't do what I do. Where is my hammer? Actually, you know what? This might work a little better. Let me see if this fits in here. Perfect. Uh-oh, where'd that go? Oh, fuck it, we'll find it later. Oh shit, one of the needles came out of the needle bearing. Fuck. Oh, you know what? I have an extra one of these. That should be okay. Okay, well, that's one failure in there was that needle bearing. Probably came out of here. Yep. Needle bearing failure, so I'm gonna have to replace that. Sweet. Goes there like that. The case bearings don't have any play, so that's cool. Alright. Fuck, another piece of something. What the hell is this? So this goes in one of the hubs. There's 3 of these in each hub, and this somehow fell out of one of the shift hubs. So I guess I'll have to figure out which one that came out of. Fuck, that's another piece that fell out of something. I'm not even in the case yet, and I'm already seeing problems in the 5th gear housing. Oh, fucking hell. Okay. Take out the ball and spring. Ball and springs. That's where that pin went. There's one spring. Oh, the ball's not coming out. Come on. Is there even a ball in there? What the fuck? Man, this one doesn't want to come out either. Killing me here. There he is. There's the other ball. Try this one again. Yes, success. Okay. Now, the reverse idler. Got synchro mesh all over my fingers and I can't hold on to anything. Okay. That one. Uh-oh. Another piece of something that came out. Shit. This is another piece out on one of the hubs. That makes two of these. Great. This is the third one. I think that this came out of the 5th gear hub. Maybe when I pulled it up, they all slid out. Oh well. Let's see. Oh, I got one more ball and spring left. On the magnet. Get on the magnet. Alright, fuck you then. It's alright, that won't prevent me from taking the case apart. Oops. What the hell? Is that a different size? 15. Uh-oh, that one's stripped. That's alright, we're not using this case anyway. Oh, you know what? There's a nut on the other side of that. Now I remember what happened with that one. There it is. Okay. Now the fun part, to try to separate this case. Okay. What's broken? Let's see. God damn. What the hell happened here? Well, I see what's wrong with fourth gear now. Damn, that's exactly what I thought happened. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, or 3.5 teeth missing off fourth gear. All the other gears look okay, I guess. I don't know where my magnet is. Everything is sticking to the shift gate, so somehow my magnet got dislodged and the hell? Well, there's a tooth from fourth gear. Oh my god. Oh shit, you know what? This is the magnet right here. Wow. That's half of the magnet. Look, the magnet broke in half and somehow ended up stuck to the shift gate. That sucks. Well, that explains why I got stuck in gear before, because everything was sticking to the shift gate because the shift gate was magnetized. Let me close this door. So, I don't know how the hell the magnet broke in half like that. I don't know where the other piece of it is. So, it's another problem to add to the list of issues with this transmission. Let me turn it around so you can see what it looks like. God damn, you're really motherfucker. Alright, you see fourth gear right here? The teeth missing. It's pretty bad. How the hell is nothing turning? Oh, there we go. Man, this fucking transmission just needs a complete overhaul. Well, anyway, so what I gotta do is take out these shafts. I have 2 shafts on the other side of the garage with good gears on them. So what I'll do is swap in the par third gear on to take par third gear off of here and put it on the other shafts, and then put it back in this transmission and be done. Wipe off my hands. Okay. Oh, you see my pretty new car. Mazda Speed 3, what a beautiful car. Okay, anyway. So There's a close-up of the, oops. So you can see the missing teeth right here. Sid and I had a bet of how many teeth would be missing, and I said 4. But it's actually 3.5. He said 3 teeth, so. Here's what par third gear looks like. This is a par gear. You can see how big the teeth are in comparison to a regular heli cut gear. Looks like a big cog, doesn't it? So I have to get all these gears unpressed or removed from the shaft, and then put on the other shafts that I have over there in the back of the garage. And I'm thinking of getting the gears cryo treated, but I'm not sure yet. I've heard mixed reviews on what how effective cryo treating actually is, but it might be worth a shot. Upon taking the car apart, I found a lot of other issues with it. I need new CV axles. I need new inner tie rod ends. I got a interesting engine mount, or interesting engine hoist holding the engine up while the transmission is out. On this side, I need a new CV axle as well. So there's a lot of problems with the car that I gotta fix. It's probably gonna be down for about a month, but hopefully it'll be like new again. But in the meantime, at least I have another car to drive, so that's it. Bye, folks.